If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. If you don't get your desired results by using the Auto Red Eye Fix command, or if you prefer to simply have more precise control, you can use the Red Eye Removal tool located in the toolbox instead. After you select it, you can then adjust the pupil radius and darken sliders that appear in the tool options bar, and then click your mouse in the middle of the red part of the eye. Note that clicking the autocorrect button in the tool options bar is the same thing as selecting the Auto Red Eye Fix command under the Enhance command in the menu bar. Also note that you can check the Pet Eye checkbox in the tool options bar to correct the glowing eyes effect that can occur when animals are photographed. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.